Hello friends, today we are going to learn the basics of Python. Before starting with the basics of Python, let us know the history of Python. Python programming language was invented in the Netherlands in the early 90s by a gentleman known as Guido van Rossum. He named this particular Python language after Monty Python. This is an open source programming language from the beginning. We can consider a Python as a scripting language, but it offers much more than the script. Here we can create our functions, we can do exception handling, we can create files, we can create a GUI, graphical user interface, and many more features are provided by the Python since it is a open source. It is scalable, object oriented, and functional from the beginning. We can implement the concepts of object oriented programming languages in the Python. Google is the one who is using this Python programming language from the beginning, and it is increasingly popular. As we know nowadays, also we have there is a boom in data science, and all of us are making use of Python in data science. Now, how to download the Python and from where we will get the Python. This is the URL http docs.python.org. If you visit this URL, you will be able to find the Python documentation. There, you can find more information about the Python. You will also find the downloading software of Python on this particular site. Depending upon the machine capacity, that is whether it is 36-bit or 64 bits, you will have to install appropriate Python software. After that, you just have to double click on the exe file and it will guide you step by step to install the Python. After installing the Python, you will find the Python interface. I will show you how the Python interface is. But remember, whatever you want, when if your machine is not supporting a particular version, you can always go to the earlier version. There you will find many more versions of Python. You can download any version which is compatible with your machine. Some features of the Python tutorial is good. But Python, it is the easiest language to learn because it does not have curly brackets. In the only thing we have to remember here is proper indentation. It is a powerful programming language, as we know that it supports object oriented functional programming, scripting, database connectivity, GUI, and many more. It has the efficient high level data structures, and they are very simple to use. Python's elegant syntax and dynamic typing, together with its interpreted nature, makes it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. The meaning is here it is a dynamic typing. As soon as we start typing, it will show you what all things can be done. That, like, if I say, uh, if I want to use a particular function, I have to press dot. If I write the keyword and I press the dot, it will show all the functions of that particular package.